Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 20th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather nice and quiet all the way through Thanksgiving weekend. No rain, cool days, chilly nights. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Got some high cirrus clouds with a little trough to the west of the state, a short wave, but there's no moisture at the surface, so there's no chance of rain. A peek at lows this morning, 21 for Decatur. How about that? Gadsden 24, Fort Payne 23. Temperatures this afternoon are in the 50s, Birmingham at 58. That's below average. We should be in the 60s this time of the year. And around the nation, it's pretty cool, seasonally cool for most locations. Feeling much like November. Really cold air trapped in Canada for now. There's the watch warning map. It is a quiet day, and it's going to be a quiet week. Very good, generally speaking, for travel across the country. Obviously, severe weather not happening today with a cool, stable air mass for much of the nation. Maybe some thunder down in the southeastern tip of Florida, but really, it's a quiet situation. And the tropics are nice and quiet. Hurricane season technically runs for about 10 more days, but you can pretty much stick a fork in this season. It's done. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon Central Time, troughing, moving through. Down below that, the day here should be mostly sunny. There's no moisture. Maybe some high clouds. We'll call it partly sunny. Highs in the low 60s in most spots. That's about average for this time of the year. Wednesday, a surge of slightly cooler air drops in. Numbers drop maybe 3-4 degrees. I don't think you'll notice it. And if you're traveling, there you go. Pick out your destination. You can see much of the country is quiet on the busiest travel day of the year. Wet in the Pacific Northwest. Some snow for northern New England. And that's about it. Most of the big airport hubs with no weather issues at all. Thanksgiving Day looks good for us. We start the day in the low to mid 30s. The high will be in the 50s, probably upper 50s. Some spots could be below freezing Thursday morning, but a very nice Thanksgiving Day. Rain for places like Jacksonville, Orlando, Daytona Beach. Go to Friday, Black Friday. Again, things are quiet. The sky should be sunny with highs in the 60s. And Saturday, the day of the Iron Bowl, weather couldn't be better. We start the day in the 40s. The high should be in the low to mid 60s. A perfect day for football at Jordan-Hare Stadium for the biggest game in the state of Alabama. And again, we're kind of leaving the maps up nationally, so for those of you traveling can see the weather where you are headed, or maybe you're flying back at that point. And this is Sunday as the weekend wraps up. Again, pretty quiet, kind of snowy and cold in the northeastern states. Snow showers all the way from Maine down to West Virginia. And for us, Sunday looks cool, highs in the 50s, pretty good north breeze. And Monday, trough on the East Coast. We start the day around freezing, maybe 20s. And the high Monday should be in the 50s, kind of a cool, dry day. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, November 30th, troughing to the north. A cold front approaching and a very deep surface low that's between Madison, Wisconsin, and Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. If this were to verify, that'd be a blizzard for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. But again, this is 10 days out. This could easily change. But if this were to verify, that would be our next chance of rain out there at the end of next week. The bottom line is the next 10 days looking pretty dry. And the numbers, generally speaking, temperatures a bit below average with highs in the 50s to near 60. Looks like the warmest day could be Saturday, Iron Bowl Saturday, perfect with 63. Lows mostly in the 30s and 40s across the board. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.